All right, everybody, today we're going to be continuing our work with operations with logarithms. So after watching today's video, we're going to be able to know how to multiply, how to divide, how to use powers with logarithms, and also some important identities, some properties that are going to help us solve some equations with logarithms in a little bit more of an advanced way than we did last video. So first things first, product. Remember that this just means we're multiplying. So if we have the log, let's say base b, so again, b just means any number here, of x times y. We're allowed to break this up. We can have log base b of x plus log base b of y. So if you multiply anything inside of a logarithm, you can just turn it actually into an addition problem. A second rule that we're allowed to use is with quotient. Again, just a fancy word for division. And if we have something like the log base b, log of any number of x divided by y, in this case, you can probably guess log base b of x minus log base b of y. So instead of adding, when we're dividing here, we're going to use subtraction. So two different applications that we're going to be able to see this in. So first things first, let's do a practice question. We could do log base 2 of 7x. And again, we break this into two pieces. So log base 2 of 7 plus log base 2 of x. Because we have 7 times x, we can break that into the two parts. The other way that we might see this is with something like, let's say we had like log base 7 of 15 minus log base 7 of 3. In this case, it's a subtraction problem, and if we see subtraction, we can actually go the other way around. We can take it from the subtraction to the division. So here we'll have log base 7 of 15 over 3. And the nice thing here is we can actually simplify this. This goes to log base 7, 15 divided by 3 is just 5. So two different types of ways that we're going to see this. Sometimes they'll give you the multiplication or division inside first. Sometimes they'll give you an addition or subtraction problem, and it's your job to basically use the properties that you know here and go the other way. And there's going to be a few questions here asking you basically to define these properties. So either split it into an addition or subtraction problem, or take an addition or subtraction problem and bring it back to